kVA or MVA directly into kilowatt. If you are not aware about power factor, then you should represent in MVA or kVA.
Okay. Any other questions, or else we can end our session? So
If you,
uh, there is one more question. If you have time, you can just
yeah,
give a short answer. A DC shunt motor is running at light load. What happens if the field winding gets opened?
nothing happened. So if you look at the shunt motor, the winding is going to be parallel. Okay, two windings. You can have a field winding, which is an electromagnet, and a shunt winding, which is a armature winding, is a rotating part. They are connected in parallel. Think practically. So when a system, but theoretically it says theoretically, if you have the flux zero, then the speed goes to infinity. But in real time, it's not like that. If you are not having electromagnets, then you can't create a flux. Obviously, the machine will come to shut down. That's it. Nothing will happen. Series motor is very dangerous.
Okay, sir.
So if you want to explain me
Okay.
better, I can give you, because two windings are in parallel. You have an electromagnet here, which is a winding. Here is a rotating part. You remove this one. There is no flux. What happened? The machine will come to standstill. But you apply only the voltage. Apply to just, it's like you apply a DC voltage to a inductor. So it's like a DC source connected in series with your winding, an inductor. A DC source connected in series with the inductor. It's a characteristics. You are not having a field, so you remove the electromagnets. There is no electromagnets. The principle says very clearly.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. I think we can end our session because I
Okay.
don't think we are having other questions. Thank you, sir. It was a
Thank you very
wonderful
much.
session. On behalf of the entire ITM viewer family, I convey sincere thanks to you. It was a privilege to have you with us. Thank you so much.
Thank
Also,
you.
I would like to thank our management for conducting such informative sessions, and I thank all our participants for being with us. With this, I think we can end our session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.